not gonna believe how simple this is. Look closely. It looks like perhaps maybe I added a little lace trim to it.
So delicate.
It's all done on the sewing machine. You can see how it started out and where it is now. I bet every single one of you have this on your machine. With a shell tuck stitch, you always want to make sure that needle is coming off of the fold. It's going to do like 2 or 3 little stitches, just like that. Boom, 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 boom. And then off the needle goes right into this position.
Does the machine go boop, boop, boop?
Yes, if you go boop, 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 then it will be magical. It is Q13. You've got to increase the tension on this. I want you to bump it all the way up to a 9.
White bobbin.
So you put the needle right on the edge.
Yes.
Can you believe that?
Thank you.
This was just a little t-shirt that now has this little dainty scalloped edge.